5 minutes to teach you how to crochet a flower coaster. Enlarged demonstration with synchronized diagrams. We suggest liking and saving it first. Prepare materials as follows. Magic ring technique. Clamp the yarn between the left hand's little finger and ring finger. Wrap it once around the index finger, then wrap once around the middle finger and ring finger. Press the crossing point with the thumb. Insert the hook into the ring, hook the yarn, and pull up a loop. Round 1. Yarn over and pull through the loop to complete 1 chain stitch. Chain 3 stitches. Counts as the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the 3rd chain stitch. This is the first stitch of this round. Work a double crochet. Yarn over gives insert hook into the ring, gives yarn over, pull up a loop. 3 loops on hook, gives yarn over, pull through 2 loops, gives yarn over. Pull through remaining 2 loops. Repeat to complete 20 double crochet stitches total. Place a marker on the last stitch. Tighten the ring start tail by pulling firmly several times slowly. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Pull tight. Slip stitch does not count as a stitch. Cut yarn and thread the tail to the back of the work. Round 2. White yarn. Make a slip knot and adjust the loop to suitable size. Join yarn to the first stitch of round 1. Chain 3 stitches. Counts as first double crochet. Work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Place the yarn tail over the hook to weave in ends while crocheting. Chain 2 stitches. This completes 1 pattern repeat. 2 double crochet stitches plus 2 chain stitches. Demonstrate 1 more group. Repeat the pattern for 10 total repeats. Cut yarn. Round 3. Blue yarn. Make a slip knot. Work entirely into the chain 2 spaces from round 2. Chain 3 stitches. Counts as first double crochet. Work 1 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Gives chain 2 stitches, gives work 2 double crochet stitches in the same space. This completes 1 pattern repeat. Demonstrate 1 more group. Repeat for 10 total repeats. Do not cut yarn. Round 4. Chain 1 stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the gap between pattern groups. Work 7 double crochet stitches in the next chain 2 space. This completes 1 pattern repeat. 1 single crochet plus 7 double crochet stitches. Demonstrate 1 more group. Repeat for 10 total repeats. Cut yarn. Weaving ends. Pick a stitch near the yarn tail, hook the yarn through, then cut the excess yarn tail.